Hey, here's Sabina, or as I call myself in Slovenian, Mami na vrtu, or on Instagram, Mami in the garden. Today, I'm gonna show you the upper side of Slovenia. I've decided that for a year, I will not use an airplane, I will not travel by airplane, so I'm exploring my own country. Today, we're exploring the upper side of Slovenia, which is at Gorenjska part. And as I'm traveling and exploring Slovenia with my kids, I'm gonna show you a few locations here in this video that you can go to with your kids. I love to find places where my kids can play. They love rocks, they love sticks, they love forests. So when I go and check what places we'll go to visit, I try to find nature. And we have a lot of nature here in Slovenia. We have lakes, we have mountains, hills, everything, rivers you can swim in. It's amazing. So this time we've decided to go to Zelenci. It's a natural reserve park here at Gorenjska part of Slovenia, and there's a beautiful place. You take this amazing path through the forest. It's only 500 meters and you park your car. You can take the stroller because it's stroller friendly, or you can go walking. Zelenci is not a lake, but it's a wetland. It actually is a place where the water doesn't freeze even in winter, because here near Zelenci there are a lot of ski places, but this water does not freeze because it has small like volcanoes inside at the bottom, and because of that it does not freeze. So one more thing that you have to check out. When you go to these places I'm showing you, you go through Kranjska Gora. I recommend you to have a stop there, go to eat something or drink or have an ice cream, because it's beautiful. There's usually in the winter a lot of places in Kranjska Gora where you can ski, but now in summer you can go for a hike or you can go by bike, and there's a beautiful and long path that you can go with your bike and with your kids as well. Just park the car here and go walking for a few minutes and you're gonna arrive to the beautiful lake. Is Lake Jasna. There are a lot of paths. You can go there with a stroller or by feet or by bike, and you have a lot of ways where you can go into the lake. There are several parts, so just enjoy the day in summer or winter and come here to Lake Jasna. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.